In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Google Docs, a process that can save you a lot of time and effort down the line. Let's dive right in and walk through each step, making sure you end up with a handy template ready to use whenever you need it. First up, open the Google Docs file that you'd like to use as your template. This could be a document you've already put together with the content and layout that fits your needs and that you find yourself using repeatedly. Once you have this document open, we're ready to begin the process of turning it into your reusable template. Our next step is downloading the document. To do this, click on File on the menu at the top left of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Download, and then choose the Microsoft Word option. You might wonder why not choose PDF. While PDFs preserve formatting well, they're not particularly user-friendly when it comes to editing. By opting for Microsoft Word, we allow ourselves the flexibility to tweak the document easily whenever the need arises. As soon as you click on this, wait for the file to download to your computer. Now that we've downloaded the document, we need to get it back onto Google Drive, where you can seamlessly access it and use it for future projects. Open your Google Drive account and locate a folder. For instance, I have a folder dedicated just for templates, which makes it simpler to find all my templates in one place. If you don't have a specific folder, no worries, you can create one with just a few clicks. Upload your downloaded file to this folder. This is straightforward. Just drag and drop the file from your computer folder into the Google Drive window, or click New and then File Upload to manually navigate your files. Once uploaded, you can rename it to something intuitive, so you'll quickly recall what this template is all about whenever you return. A significant pro tip is ensuring that you never lose your template or accidentally overwrite its content. For that extra layer of security, it's wise to make a copy right now. Simply right-click on the uploaded file and then select Make a Copy. This gives you a sturdy backup, so you're covered if you need the original document intact for future use. And there you have it. You've just created a template of your Google Doc. Whenever you want to use this template, you can find it, make copies, and modify them without concern about altering your original setup. If you found this guide helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment with any questions, and subscribe. I'm excited to share more tutorials with you soon. Happy document processing, and thanks for watching.